Alright guys, welcome back to this session. Here I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress theme on your blog and customize it in a way that you look more professional. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard. Now, when you go to your domain name, you click again, you put in /wp admin, wp-admin. Okay, it will log into your dashboard. But also, if you don't know how to do that, just go to your Bluehost, log into your Bluehost account, click on my sites, and any of the sites here, choose the one you want to install. Click on manage sites. Once you click on that, this button will come up, say login to WordPress. Now, once you click on login to WordPress, it will redirect you back to your WordPress admin page. Very simple. Okay, so now once you are in your WordPress dashboard, the next thing you need to do is go through the menu here, go to appearance and select themes. Okay, once you select theme, the default themes that are being installed by WordPress itself will be the latest version of their theme. Normally it's 3. You can use any of them or you can add a new theme. Now, to add a new theme, all you need to do is click on add new theme, this big plus button here. Click on it. It will take you to the WordPress marketplace where you can add free themes there, but you can also upload a premium theme. Okay, now to add a free theme, all you need to do either search from popular, latest, premium. Use this tab to navigate the type of theme you want. Once you found the one you want to install, let's say for example wants to install this one, just click on install. Once you click on install, the system will install that particular theme. After installing it, the activate button will show. Once you click on this activate button, the theme will be activated. You can now start customizing the theme. Okay, I think that's about installing themes. Then if you want to upload a premium theme, like I suggested you buy that premium theme that that is in the description of this video. You see a button here, click on it and buy the premium theme. Once you finish buying the theme, just click on upload theme. Instead of going through this a bunch of themes here, just click on upload theme. Now this button will show here, select it and it will take you to your dashboard where you can select that particular theme that you downloaded. Just select it and install. The system will install the theme automatically, and after it have installed, you go back to the home, the dashboard for themes. Once you have installed that particular theme, you can now start customizing it. Click on use this customize button will show. Just click on customize and you start customizing the theme. Let me just show you a quick example of what the customization looks like for themes. Once you install a theme, this is what the customization looks like. So it will look like this. There's a menu by the left, and what your site will look like will be on there's a preview here. So to customize it, you just go down here, select any of this menu. The first thing you need to do is site identity. Is in every theme. Just click on site identity. What this does is this site identity, this icon that shows when you open a particular website or a particular blog, the icons that shows there is what is the site identity. Okay, once anybody sees that, they will know that, oh, this is this particular domain, this particular blog, or this particular website. So they just do a few customization you need to play around with. On the pro version of this course, I'm going to show you in details how to do each of these things for your site to look very, very professional. Okay, so I'm just showing an overview in this free course of how things works. You can, if you choose to figure things out for yourself, it's okay. But if you want an in-depth step-by-step guide on how to do every single thing, then you need to upgrade to the pro version of this course. But to get you started, I'm just showing you how things work. All right, that's that about theme installation. In the next class, I'm going to show you about plugin installation and plugin, different type of plugin that you need for your WordPress, for your blog to get started. Okay, so I believe you have covered everything about this. If you have any question, leave a comment section, and I'll see you on the next class.